Welcome to DDevOps Academy, your gateway to mastering automation with Ansible. This course is designed to help you streamline IT operations using powerful, real-world tools. Visit us at www.DDevOps.academy and begin your journey today. Ansible is a powerful open-source tool that brings your infrastructure to life through code. It handles provisioning, configuration, and deployment, all without installing agents. With human-readable YAML and secure, scalable architecture, Ansible is a favorite in modern IT, especially for cloud and DevOps environments. At DDevOps Academy, we make mastering Ansible simple, practical, and impactful. Let's break down why Ansible stands out among configuration management tools. It's agentless, easy to set up, and uses simple YAML syntax, making it ideal for beginners and pros alike. Compared to Puppet, Chef, and SaltStack, Ansible offers faster execution, better cloud integration, and a smoother learning curve. Whether you're scaling infrastructure or automating deployments, Ansible delivers simplicity without sacrificing power. To get started with Ansible on your Linux machine, just run a few simple commands to install it. Ansible 2.5 and above works seamlessly with Python 3. Once installed, your project structure should follow best practices, like organizing roles with tasks, handlers, templates, and variables. This modular layout keeps your automation clean, scalable, and easy to maintain. In Ansible, modules are the building blocks of automation. Each one performs a specific task, like installing software or copying files. Most modules are idempotent, meaning they only make changes when needed. Tasks use modules with arguments, handlers respond to changes, and roles bundle everything into reusable units, all written in simple YAML. This makes Ansible powerful, predictable, and easy to learn. To configure Ansible architecture, you need at least 2 nodes, a control node and 1 or more managed nodes. Start by defining your inventory file with host IPs and users. Then use the Ansible all mping v command to verify connectivity. The ansible.cfg file sets your inventory path and SSH settings. This setup allows Ansible to push playbooks and manage infrastructure efficiently across environments. Ad-HOC commands in Ansible are perfect for quick, one-time tasks, like checking server uptime, installing packages, or rebooting nodes. They run directly from the command line and scale effortlessly across multiple hosts. No playbooks, no setup, just fast, powerful automation at your fingertips. Ansible Playbook Walkthrough. In this example, we're automating the installation and startup of the Apache HTTP server across our web servers. The playbook begins with a clear name and targets the web servers group. Using Become Yes, we ensure root privileges for tasks that require them. The first task uses the YUM module to install Apache on Red Hat-based systems. The second task ensures the service is started and enabled on boot. For Debian-based systems, we use APT to install Apache 2 and the service module to keep it running. In Ansible, roles help organize playbooks into reusable components. Each role bundles tasks, handlers, templates, and variables into a structured folder, making automation clean and scalable. Inventory defines the hosts Ansible manages. It's written in a simple INI format and can group servers for targeted automation. You can also specify login credentials directly in the inventory using Ansible User and Ansible Become Password. Finally, tags let you run specific tasks selectively, great for testing or partial deployments. In Ansible, *group variables * let you define shared settings for multiple hosts. You store them in group vars/all.yaml, making them accessible across roles and inventories. Conditionals allow tasks to run only when specific criteria are met, for example, installing Apache only if the OS family is Debian. Loops help repeat tasks efficiently. Instead of writing separate install commands, you use with items to iterate over a list of packages, like SSH, rsync, and telnet. This structure makes your automation smarter, cleaner, and more adaptable. The Ansible Playbook command is your gateway to executing automation scripts. It supports options for user credentials, connection types, privilege escalation, and inventory targeting. You can run specific tags, skip others, check syntax, or even start at a particular task. These flags give you precision and control, making playbook execution flexible and powerful. Put Ansible into action. Start by creating multi-role deployments, combine roles and apply them in a single playbook. Use handlers to restart services only when configs change. Secure your credentials with Ansible Vault and test idempotency by running your playbook twice. No changes should happen the second time. For bonus points, deploy a full LAMP stack, install a community role, and automate daily backups with a cron job. These exercises sharpen your automation skills and prepare you for real-world DevOps challenges. As we conclude, remember, DevOps isn't just about tools and automation. It's about mindset, collaboration, and continuous improvement. You've seen how development and operations can work hand in hand to deliver faster, more reliable solutions. Thank you for being part of the DDevOps Academy community. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for weekly tech episodes that keep your skills sharp and your passion alive.